Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to earn ore nuggets early in Gothic 1 Remake. Ore nuggets are the main currency used throughout the game, and they're extremely important since you'll need a lot of them during your playthrough, especially when upgrading your character. Obtaining a large amount can be difficult early in the game, but there's an easy way to earn a huge sum once you reach the new camp. So first things first, you need to head to the new camp. As you can see here on the minimap, there's also a video on the channel covering how to get to the new camp if you don't have a map yet, so please make sure to check it out. Once you arrive, just follow my path closely until you reach this cave, as you can see right here. Make your way inside, and in this area in front of a bonfire, you'll find a guy named Balkagan. Talk to him, and he'll offer you a chance to sell his medicinal cigars on his behalf in exchange for a share of the ore. This is an easy quest, and all you need to do is talk to every NPC in the area and offer them the medicinal cigars. Once you sell everything, go back to Balkagan and he'll give you a choice of rewards. For me, keeping the ore is extremely useful during the early stages of the game, since there are still other ways to obtain the other two rewards later on. And that's how to earn ore nuggets early in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.